the free video, just looking at the Dow, a lot of sideways action since late January in a 200-point range. And look at the weekly chart, we've closed just slightly lower here. We're not overbought here. We have been through the back end of January, but the start closing under 13,900. I think we're going to retrace down to 13,700, which is the support from October. But we've had a decent run up here, and we're just running out of steam. We're getting close to some crucial points. The physical cliff wasn't completely resolved. I just think this is making the markets nervous. If that doesn't get, if the temporary reprieve runs out and that starts to get nasty again, I can see this pulling right back. But let's stick to the charts. This is a slightly weaker close. We're not going anywhere. So I think if the markets can't climb higher, can't break out of this here, I think the path of least resistance is down, which is supported by a stronger US dollar. Swissy, the weekly charts on the left, two higher weekly closes. That is, if we get a retest of 91.87, I think that's a buy at 91.87. I'm going to alarm that, in fact. And equally on the US dollar CAD, that's a buy at 140, just 40 points above parity. So you can see the euro here on the weekly chart, we came out of this channel before in January, and here the 50 EMA is just underneath us with a lot of support here. But if we can't get back into the channel quite quickly, then I'd expect to see this drop out of 130 and 133 and come back down to at least 130, back down to this support here. Okay, so I'm on guard for shorts. There's no position. I mean, you could go long if you break 14,010. Then I think we could be on the way to 14,200 at least. But I just think the stocks are very extended and looking as if they need some kind of pullback. Alright, so that's my plan for the week, and if you want a trial of the premium video to have a real in-depth look at the rest of the forex market, commodities, and a selection of UK and US prime stocks that I look at, then drop me a line. Otherwise, I will see you at the next update.